Welcome to this guide on Platform as a Service, commonly known as PaaS. In this video, we'll explore how PaaS abstracts infrastructure complexity and enables developers to focus on what they do best, building applications. This is part of our Cloud Fundamentals series, where we break down essential cloud computing concepts. So, what exactly is Platform as a Service? PaaS is a cloud computing model that provides developers with a complete platform to build, deploy, and manage applications. The key advantage here is that developers don't need to worry about managing the underlying infrastructure like servers, storage, or networking. Everything you need to develop and run applications is provided as a service through the cloud. To understand PaaS better, let's look at where it fits in the cloud computing stack. At the bottom, we have Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, which provides virtualized computing resources like servers, storage, and networks. In the middle sits Platform as a Service, or PaaS, which includes runtime environments, middleware, and development tools. At the top is Software as a Service, or SaaS, which delivers ready-to-use applications directly to end users. PaaS bridges the gap between raw infrastructure and finished applications. Let's compare traditional application development with the PaaS approach. In traditional development, teams must manage servers, configure operating systems, install dependencies, handle scaling manually, and maintain the entire infrastructure. This requires significant time and technical expertise. With PaaS, developers simply write code and deploy instantly. The platform handles auto-scaling, provides built-in tools, and lets teams focus entirely on building applications rather than managing infrastructure. The difference is transformative. PaaS platforms include several key components that make application development easier. First, there's the runtime environment, which is where your applications actually execute. Second, managed database services that handle data storage without requiring manual setup. Third, middleware that provides integration and messaging capabilities between different parts of your application. And fourth, development tools including integrated development environments and automated deployment pipelines. Together, these components create a complete development ecosystem. The PaaS workflow is remarkably straightforward. Step 1, developers write their application code using their preferred programming language and frameworks. Step 2, they deploy that code to the PaaS platform with a simple command or click. Step 3, the platform automatically configures everything needed to run the application, including servers, networking, and scaling rules. Step 4, the application goes live and is immediately accessible to users. This entire process that once took days or weeks can now happen in minutes. PaaS offers numerous benefits for development teams and organizations. It enables faster development, allowing teams to deploy applications in minutes instead of weeks. It's cost-efficient because you only pay for the resources you actually use. Auto-scaling means the platform automatically handles traffic spikes without manual intervention. Easy updates through continuous integration are built right in. You get global reach, allowing instant worldwide deployment. And enterprise-grade security is included, protecting your applications and data. These benefits combine to accelerate innovation and reduce operational overhead. Several major cloud providers offer robust PaaS solutions. Amazon Web Services provides Elastic Beanstalk for easy web application deployment. Microsoft offers Azure App Service for building enterprise applications. Google Cloud has App Engine for scalable application hosting. Heroku provides a developer-friendly cloud platform known for its simplicity. Red Hat offers OpenShift, which is built on Kubernetes for container-based applications. And IBM provides Cloud Foundry as a multi-cloud platform. Each provider has unique strengths, so choosing the right one depends on your specific requirements and existing technology ecosystem. Here's the key takeaway from this video. Platform as a Service lets developers focus on building applications instead of managing infrastructure. By abstracting away the complexity of servers, operating systems, and scaling, PaaS empowers teams to innovate faster and deliver value more quickly. Whether you're building a simple web app or a complex enterprise system, PaaS provides the tools and platform you need to succeed in today's cloud-first world. Thanks for watching, and happy building.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.